Hello everyone, it's Matt from Candy Mods HD, and I'm redoing the Game Booster 3 video I did because people are whining that they can't hear me. So today nobody's home and I can talk as loud as I want. I do have a cold, but I hope you guys can actually understand me this time. Now, there's a new Game Booster out. If some of you already have it, that's good. I'll put a download link in the description. Also, I'm here to announce the release of the new Razer Game Booster that will be coming out, and I'll put a link to that so you guys can check that out. So, right now we got Game Booster 3.5 beta, and the one thing that they did add was the FPS option, so you can benchmark your FPS, it'll tell you what your FPS is, you can take screenshots of your screen, and you could also take a video of you're playing, I guess you would say. So yeah, you could just take that on or off, and yeah, okay. So to use Game Booster at its maximum state, go to Gamebox Boost, whatever you want to do, click Configure, and check all the things that are recommended to close. Check all of those, and then this is where you have to have some knowledge on your things. So I'm not going to close Fraps right now because I'm kind of using it. So yeah, so I don't close your security center just in case someone tries to hack into you. I'm using the webcam viewer, just things like that. The descriptions are really helpful, so like info center, what the hell is that? I don't need info center. So we got that. So those are my processes. Now we go to unnecessary services. And basically what you want to do is check all of those because they're unnecessary. Now the non-Windows services, you gotta kinda think outside the box with this because you need to know what your services are. So I don't want the Adobe Acrobat service. I think that's kinda unneeded right now. And then others, launch game on game desktop. So it'll provide the maximum processing power for the game that was launched without any interruptions. If a screen pops up in the background, your game will still run on top. Clean RAM, okay, that's your physical memory. So we are going to check that so it cleans our RAM, makes it all nice and fresh. And then clear clipboard. That's obviously your copy and pasting. So if you actually have something copied and you want to paste it somewhere later, just uncheck that. Game power solutions. So it changes your power settings to high performance, obviously. Explorer EXE. Okay, so here is where you gotta know how to use a computer. Because if you close that, that gets rid of all your desktop and the taskbar. So once you turn that off, the only way you can run applications is to go Control Alt Delete, go to Task Manager like so, and then you go to New Task, and whatever you have on your desktop, just go Browse. That's what I have on my desktop that can be ran at that time. I think, yeah, just change it to all files and it'll work. So yeah, you got your desktop here with all your stuff. Perfect. Okay, so like if I wanted to open TeamSpeak 3, just click open, okay, and it should be opening. Might be a little slow because I'm using Fraps, but yeah, so that will open, and you can keep this open or you can close it, whatever you want. And then automatic updates, so you can turn that off so you're not playing a game and all of a sudden it restarts your computer because it automatically restarted. So yeah, so that's how you configure it. After all that, obviously click apply, and then here is where you can put all your games so it's in one window. So like you can have this on your desktop, double click it instead of having all the game icons. The one problem I have with this is the Battlefield 3. you cannot launch Battlefield 3 like boost and launch, because it just boosts it and then it unboosts it. So what you gotta do is the normal way where you go start boost. Okay, so to add games in your game box, you could just drag over from your desktop or wherever it is. When you drag over from your desktop, it does get rid of the icon and it places it in here. And I believe you can drag them out. No, you cannot actually. My bad. So yeah, you got all this in here. You could obviously do add, and that will add like the shortcut into it instead of the whole shortcut or application, so it doesn't screw it up. Diagnose, that's just really for advanced users. Okay, tweaks. You obviously want to look at your tweaks, see what you can tweak. Holy smokes, I can tweak. Oh no. If you're really good with it, obviously expert mode, but my PC's in top performance. Defrag. If you don't know what a defrag is, it takes all the fragments of the files and deletes them, which is perfectly safe, and it will move around files to the way they're opened, like the sequence it's opened, so it is easier to easier to open and play. So you can defrag individual games. You can also defrag your whole C drive or D drive, whatever you have. Then drivers. You should always keep your drivers up to date. See, right now mine are probably all up to date. If it's not, okay, yeah, they're all up to date. So that's basically it. You can obviously go to settings, go through there, and you got like minimum to minimize the system tray after programs close, all that stuff. You can execute at Windows startup. I don't do that, so my computer starts up quickly. So, and these are useful for Battlefield 3. So like if you go to the internet, you go to Battle Log, go here, you got all your stuff here. I don't care if you guys add me on Origin, go ahead. And yeah, so you get that loaded up. I don't have premium. If you're gonna add me, I don't have premium. Okay. So yeah. And then you go Control Alt B for Control Alt Boost, obviously. And then when you're done and you can't access Game Booster, you go Control Alt Restore. Control Alt R. I don't know, I think that's the way I preset it, but it could be the way that they did it too. So, and then user interface, you can make it transparent. I'm going to make it a bit transparent. Proxy, okay, I don't know that shit. So, you're good. So, that's your Game Booster all set up. Thank you for watching. And also, you guys, I will put links to my other channels. So, we actually got the Candy Mods HD. Flute Dubstep, okay, I make my own music, obviously. So, we got this. Got my own music, video manager. I think I have quite a few songs. Yeah, and then there's some private stuff. I don't care if you guys see the title, you won't be able to access it. Okay, and then I changed my music name, so obviously it's new name / channel must watch. So 2 people watched it. That's pretty good, I guess. Not at all. Okay, so then here's my real music channel. I have 2 videos uploaded, 1 song, just my intro. So you got my song, and, oh crap, it's gonna be, yeah, so you got my song right here. Pretty cool. I know some people like it, and I would like people to share it, because obviously I only have freaking 24 views. And I know I can get more views than that, obviously, because if I go to my Candy Mods HD channel, I got quite a few views. And here, view channel, my channel. Okay. Yeah, I have 37,000 video views, which is a good accomplishment for me. So yeah, I also have another channel. I'll post it in there. I just didn't have it on my Switch account place. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. This is Matt signing out.